Assalamu alaikum KG2 students. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is match the given shaded shapes with the correct fraction. Students, today we are starting with the new topic which is fraction. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. KG2 class, look at the first shape. It is square in shape and it is whole. Unbroken piece of object, shape or number is called whole. Here are the spellings of whole. Let us match the shape with its spelling like this. Okay students, come to the next shape. It is sphere in shape and it is half. When we cut the whole shape in two equal parts, each part is one half of the whole. It is half shape and here are the spellings of half. Let us match the shape with its spelling like this. Come to the third shape. It is also sphere in shape and it is quarter. When we cut the whole shape in four equal parts, each part is quarter of the whole. Here are the spellings of quarter. Let us match the shape with its spelling like this. KG2 class, come to the next shape. It is sphere in shape and it is quarter. Here are the spellings of quarter. Let us match the shape with its spelling like this. The last shape is half. It is half shape. Here are the spellings of half. Let us match the shape with its spelling like this.